Hey everybody, Jen Keenan here at the Four Squares Residential Group at Keller Williams Real Estate, coming to you with my Love the Way You Live video series. This month I want to talk about chimneys. So last year I had was getting ready to put a new roof on my house, and I had a couple of guys come look at my roof, and they both told me that I needed to get a new chimney before that they could do the roof. So I didn't even know what that meant. So I called a mason, found this great mason that works here in Medford, and had him come out and look at the chimney. And he basically confirmed that, yeah, my chimney was in rough shape and it basically needed to be rebuilt from the base of the roof up. I have two fireplaces in my house, and we don't really use either of them, but the mortar between the bricks had been so deteriorated that it wasn't even worth kind of repointing them. It made the most sense to kind of knock it down to its base, reflash it, and build it completely up brand new around the flues of the chimney. So it was a great project, took a couple of days, had a great mason. His crew was out here with him, and he basically rebuilt me a brand new chimney. And fun fact, my chimney that I had was actually too small for the fact that I had two flues. So now he was able to build it to be the proper size and scale for the fireplaces that we have, and for the size of the roof that he had to work with. When the job was all said and done, the last piece was getting a brand new chimney cap to make sure that rodents and birds and other woodland creatures do not come down the chimney, and also so that no rain gets in. So one thing I would encourage you all to do is that if you don't have a chimney cap on your chimney, and take a good look outside, you'll be able to tell right away if you have one or not. And if you don't, make sure you get one, because it will prevent foreign objects from falling down your chimney that you definitely don't want to have happen. So yeah, it was a pretty good project here. And then once that was done, they were able to put the new roof on my house and kind of flash all around it to make sure that it was weather tight. So took a couple days, and it was, in terms of a painfulness scale of home projects, I would say very much on the low end of the painfulness scale. So I hope that gave you a little insight into what it's like to put a new chimney on your house. As always, if you have any questions on your house or anything at all, real estate related or otherwise, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to answer questions. And until next month, I hope you love the way you live.